Hey everyone, it's Mason from the Gene M. Thompson Memorial Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to complete our Spring Glitter Gnome Mosaic program to go from the Oriental Trading Company. This craft comes with a bunch of these adhesive glitter dots, and the goal is to learn color matching by matching the color of the glitter dots to the color they correspond with on our little circular gnome friend. So here is me just doing his hat. And here is his completed hat and a little mushroom. They don't really give you extras of a lot of the colored stickers, so just be careful and make sure that you aren't dropping any or getting them stuck somewhere they shouldn't be. If you do get them stuck somewhere they shouldn't be, it's easy enough to just glue them back in the right spot. You'll find that the grass in the sky takes some amount of time to complete because there are just so many little glitter dots, but they really are worth it. Look how cute! And this is what the entire sheet will look like when you are done, but we aren't quite finished yet. We're going to pop out this little circle on the very top, and we're going to double loop this nice blue string that comes with the packaging, so then you can hang it up somewhere where it will catch sunlight. Probably hang it up somewhere indoors near one of your windows, and that way it won't get damaged by weather or anything, but you'll still get the nice light off of those glitter dots around your house. And you're all done. It'll look like this. Good job!